at that satellite radar, we do have some cloud cover precipitation really happening all over the west coast, and some of that is going to be translating into the southern Nevada area here tomorrow. So we're tracking some showers, breezy conditions, but hang in there because it is going to get nicer here midweek. Now, taking a look outside at the moment, you can't see much, but we do have some low-lying cloud cover remaining over the area. Now, those temperatures starting to cool on down. We're getting into the 50s at Red Rock Canyon and Pahrump. Still the 60s in the Las Vegas Valley area, but we'll cool down into the 50s and 40s here tonight. Now, it is going to be chilly out there. Again, across the board, starting to get cooler as that sun sets. Laughlin, though, you're still doing okay at 72 degrees. Complete opposite of Tonopah, which is at 45 degrees at the moment. Now, we're continuing to see that southerly breeze pick up tonight, and it's going to continue through tomorrow as well. We're looking at 18-mile-per-hour winds in Death Valley at the moment, 14 miles per hour towards Laughlin, 10 miles per hour in Boulder City. Now, in addition to that wind, we're of course seeing that cloud cover develop, a few spotty showers, especially towards the higher elevations, but they're really signaling light isolated rain at this point. A little bit of a stronger precipitation pattern happening towards the west side of the Sierra, but that's all going to change really tomorrow morning when we start to track some showers push directly into the city. Here's 1 p.m. That's when things are going to get to be a little bit heavier, some stronger rain potentially towards the eastern side of the valley. By the time you're heading home from work, that rain is continuing. So in the morning, looks like showers are going to be on the lighter side, but in the afternoon and evening, we're going to get some pretty widespread rain conditions here in Las Vegas. The good news is by the time we hit Wednesday, that precipitation becomes a lot more isolated, and then we're going to have that sunshine return for Thursday into Friday. By the time we hit Tuesday evening, kind of a 24-hour time period, we're looking at anywhere from around 1/10 of an inch of rain towards Summerlin and directly in Las Vegas towards about 4/10 of an inch there towards Lake Mead. Looks like a lot more of that precipitation will be concentrated towards the south of the city, but definitely going to see that potential of urban ponding, some hydroplaning as you're hitting the roads tomorrow afternoon and evening. So overall, looking at a 60% chance of that rain here on Tuesday, a high of 63 degrees. So we do cool down a little bit here tomorrow. We're going to stick to those low 60s Wednesday and Thursday. Again, those showers do clear out by the time we hit Thursday